Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Operating system will be Android 8.0, Oreo. And it will be available in 3 colors: black, gold, pink. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. 5.7 inches edge-to-edge Super AMOLed Quad HD display. Pixel density 401 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Processor is going to be 2.1 GHz octa-core Exynos 7878, whereas the RAM will be 4 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. Rear camera will be dual cameras of B16 megapixel, and front camera will have 13 megapixel, with dual tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB with micro SD card. Sixth, at last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3900 mAh non-removable. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge. The expected price is $410 US dollars.